Here we go. This is a different kind of video than what I'm usually putting out. I bought a few of buck knives recently. I thought I'd give this a quick review. This buck folding 110 Hunter has been around for years and years and years and years. Here's a picture of it. I believe I had one of these when I was a teenager. I can't remember exactly, but like many of you wanted one of these. This is a beautiful, beautiful knife. Beautiful knife. Very well made. It's a classic. It's over 50 years old now, this style. The numbers on the back, let's see here. Here we go. Sorry about the shadow if it comes up. There you go, 3 3/4 inches. Overall length, 4 7/8. Weight, 7.2 ounces. Handle, this one is Crelicam ebony with brass bolsters. There you go. I'm not sure what Crelicam is, but anyway. Let's go ahead and slice this thing open, get it out of the package. I have just a regular razor knife here. Slice this thing open. Get it out of here. Let's go with this side. Might be a little easier going this side. I do not plan on returning this, so I don't care if the case gets torn up. This blister pack, I don't care if the blister pack gets torn up. Here's the leather sheath. It's a warranty card. Here's this card. Sometimes, let me go off camera and rip this package open. Here we go. Here's the buck 110 folding knife, still made in the USA, somewhere up in Idaho area. Beautiful polished brass. Here's the ID number, buck 110, and I don't really know the ID marks, but somehow you can tell by that what year this was produced. It comes out of the case with a little blade guard right here. Let's go ahead and move that out of the way. Going down the back of the knife, this is just as smooth as can be all the way down. No telling it. See that little where the blade bends? Can't even barely feel it on there. Beautiful knife. There we go. I love this wood. You see the grains going in it right here. Has 3 pins, and this is the locking rivet right here. There we go. The lock rotates on here. Don't you just love that sound? Let's see here. How far does it go up? Check the snap on this. There we go. Not quite perfectly centered. It's off to one side a little bit. Just a little bit. Not enough for me to make any difference. Comes sharpened up already. Very nice edge on it. Let me grab a piece of paper and we're going to see what damage we can do to it. Here we go. Just a regular piece of copy paper from my computer. Not that one, this one. Picked up my razor knife. Check that out. Straight out of the package. Very little effort. Very little effort. Beautiful, beautiful knife. Okay, let's get this out of the way. Here's the sheath that came with it. Nice black leather with, is that bronze snaps? Nicely stitched all the way around. You fold this up. There we go. Look at this. Has a buck label right here. It's going to take a little bit of time to get this knife fitted to the leather, but that's just part of the being new process. Beautiful, beautiful knife. Well, like I said earlier, this knife has been around for over 50 years now. And many people think that this is one of the best knife designs ever produced. Just a personal opinion. Now, I prefer this kind of lock over a lever lock right here. What do you call those? Slipped my mind right now, but you know what I'm talking about. The kind of lock just locks right here and you have to slide it with your thumb to get the blade to close. I personally prefer this type. If you haven't picked up one of these buck knives in a long time, give one a shot. Add it to your collection. Give it to your grandson, granddaughter. Get it to anybody, just so the tradition gets passed on. I guarantee they'll love receiving one of these knives. This is just a quick video on one of my new purchases. I do have a few more buck knives we're going to go over. And like I said, I know this is a little change from my usual videos, but I'm going to have a series, a playlist on some of my hobbies or collections, such as knives. I also collect Native American flutes, which I am learning to play. Not very good at it, but learning it. So we're going to have a couple of different playlists of my different hobbies, and I encourage you to check it out. Okay, we didn't go over this. There we go. And then we have this. You can pause the camera or pause the video and check this out if you like. My name is Carl. Appreciate you being here.